Hello, welcome to my channel. Assalamualaikum and hi for Mantap and for Mesra. We meet again this week. Okay, today we are going to look at Module 1, Where Are You From? And the title is Our World. Before we start our class, make sure you have your Get Smart Plus 4 or your textbook and your module with you. If you don't have it now, please go and take it. Come on, quick! Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. Look at the picture. What place is this? This is ice skating rink. Okay, please repeat after me. Ice skating rink. What is this place for? This place is for ice skating. Okay, next. What activity is this? Ice skate. Everybody say ice skate. Next, what activity is this? Yes, play chess. Play chess. Repeat after me, okay? What activity is this? Football. Football. What activity is this? Yes, play badminton. Play badminton. Okay, now I'm going to teach you adverbs of frequency. There are 4 words to show adverbs of frequency. Okay, what is the meaning of adverbs of frequency? Adverbs of frequency means how often you do certain activities. Untuk menunjukkan seberapa kerap kamu melakukan sesuatu aktiviti. Alright, look at this. Always. Always. I always skate before dinner. For example here, every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday means 5 days a week. Next, usually. Usually. You usually play baseball after school. Example, every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 3 days a week. Next, sometimes. Sometimes. He sometimes play chess. Example, only on Saturday, once a week. And the last one is never. Never. They never play volleyball. Okay, that are adverbs of frequency. Alright, now look at this text. You can see this text in your textbook, page 8. A day in the life of a figure skater and a day in the life of a chess player. Now, I want you to listen to the audio and you can read together.
1. What do Megan and Pablo do every day? Listen and read. Social studies.
A day in the life of a figure skater. Megan, 9. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. After school, she does her homework. Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner. She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night. A chess player Pablo, 10. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and plays chess. He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner. He sometimes plays chess on his computer. Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock.
1. What do Megan and Pablo do every day? Listen and read. Social studies.
A day in the life of a figure skater. Megan, 9. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. After school, she does her homework. Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner. She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night. A chess player. Pablo, 10. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and plays chess. He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner. He sometimes plays chess on his computer. Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock.
After listening to the text, let's look at the questions on page 9. Or you also can see the same questions in your module, page 4. Alright, teacher will read the question for you first. Okay, question number 1. Does Megan go to school at 20 to 8? Number 2. Does Pablo go to school at 8:15? Number 3. Does Pablo always go home after school? Number 4. Does Megan usually ice skate in the morning? Number 5. Does Pablo watch TV after dinner? And number 6. Does Megan do her homework after school? And now, teacher will teach you how to answer this question. Okay, how to answer these questions? Look at number 1. Does Megan go to school at 20 to 8? 20 to 8. Another 20 minutes to 8 o'clock. But if you refer to the text, Megan goes to school 7:45. 7:45. Another 15 minutes to 8 o'clock. So now you know already either the answer is yes or no. Next, look at the verb to do. The question starts with does. If the answer is yes, you have to use does. But if the answer is no, you have to use doesn't. After that, look at the subject. The subject is Megan. And ask yourself, Megan is a boy or a girl? And decide to use he or she. Okay, now we already know the answer. The answer is no, right? She goes to school at 7:45. No. And Megan is a girl. We use she. And if the answer is no, we use doesn't. And the answer? No, she doesn't. Okay, look at question number 2. Does Pablo go to school at 8:15? Yes or no? 8:15. Okay, you have to decide either yes or no. Okay, look at the verb to do there, does. And again, if the answer is yes, you have to use does. But if the answer is no, we have to use doesn't. Okay, after that, we look at the subject. Pablo, a boy or a girl? He or she? Okay, now refer back to the text from your textbook. Yes, right? Pablo goes to school at 8:15. So we already know the answer is yes. And Pablo is he. And for a yes answer, we use does. So how to answer this question? Yes, he does. Very good. Now look at these two activities from your module. Okay, module page 3 and module page 4. On page 3 is about a day in the life of a figure skater. First, you have to read, because now you listen to the audio. Now you read again the text for you to find the answer. Look at question number 1. When does Megan usually go to the ice skating rink? When? Bila. Okay, let's find from the text. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. That is the answer for number 1. So you just write the answer. Number 2. When does she go to school? Where is the answer? Yes, good. She goes to school at 7:45. That is the answer for number 2. Question number 3. What does she do after school? Where is the answer? Yes, she does her homework. That is the answer for number 3. Okay, the rest for question 4 and 5. And a day in the life of a chess player, teacher wants you to do on your own. Okay, look at this activity. For this activity, I want you to record yourself and send to me in the Padlet. Okay, how to do this activity? I show you the example, yeah. As you can see here, we have your activities, and then get up at 7 o'clock, play football, play chess, do homework after school, watch TV after dinner, go to bed at 9:30. Okay, this is my activity. Get up at 7 o'clock. Teacher choose usually. So teacher say, I usually get up at 7 o'clock. I never play football. I sometimes play chess. I always do homework after school. I usually watch TV after dinner. I sometimes go to bed at 9:30. That is my activity. So I want you to tell your activity and record and send to my Padlet. And that's all for our class today. Don't forget to do your homework. Thank you and bye.